Hello, my dear students. A very good morning to all of you. So, myself Deepika, and I am taking the class of mathematics. So, all of we know that the numbers are very important for the mathematics. So, today's class we are discussing with the concept of an playing with numbers. So, in previous classes we have observed that the types of number system, and about geometries, all this includes in a mathematics. But playing with numbers is such a concept that where it will help us to remember some of the format. So let's go with starting with the playing with numbers chapter, that is your first chapter. Okay, let's move to the worksheet. So whatever I am writing here, you can note down that one, examples, practice those examples also. So let's start the first about playing with numbers. So playing with numbers, for every number consists of an digit. So with me you can write, okay, every number consists of digits. So all we know, we have studied, you have studied in previous classes, yes. So right, we can take one example. So 6426. So the number, how you are reading 6426, where 6 is in unit place, 2 is in 10th place, 4 is in 100 place, and 6 is in 1000. How you are splitting this digit? 6000 plus 400 plus 20 plus 6. So 6000, sum of all these must be equal to the given number, yes. So 6 2 4 6, that is 6426. This is what you know, what you have studied in your previous classes, how to split the digits. Now we are trying to solve that. Playing with numbers, in playing with numbers we are studying about the splitting of digits. For example, we will take 2-digit number. So just consider 64, which is the 2-digit number. That means this is the unit place and this is the 100 place. So first you have to split such that the sum of the two numbers, 60 plus 4. So observe here, I am splitting the unit as 4 and again 60. 60 plus 4 is 64. This is the addition. Again you have to split this number through the multiply. So 6 into 10, 60, again 4 into 1, that is 4. So observe here, 6 is the first, 6 into 10, so 4 into 1. As it is the 10th place, we are splitting this one as a 10, and as it is the unit place, we are splitting this one into 4. Now observe, 6 into 10 is 60 plus 4 into 1 is 4, that is 64. So now what you can write from this, you can observe that the 2-digit number. So for example, what we took 64 can be written in the form of equation. How? So observe, if you consider this is A and B. So A is 6, B is 4. So what extra numbers came? 10 and 1, that you have to write. A into 10 plus, so this is sum, 4 into 1. So observe here, A into 10, B into 1, that is 64 equal to, in place of A, 6 into 10 plus in case of B, 4 into 1. So this is our how to split or how to generalize a form of 2-digit number. The formula we can write that in 64 place the AB is there. AB is equal to 6 is A into 10 plus B is B into 1. Either you can write B also. So our overall formula is any 2-digit number, that is AB. 2-digit number can be written in the form of 10 into A plus B. Yes, for any 2-digit number we can write that one as 10 into A plus B. So this is the example for 2-digit number. Now we will consider another example as 3-digit number. So 3-digit number, for example, you take 293. So again you have to, this is a 3-digit, so you have to split to the 3. So first is unit place 3, second one is 10th place, so 90, third one is the 100 place, that is 200. So this all are additions. After that you have to multiply. So as I told, this is the 100 place, 2 into 100, 200, again 9 into 10, 90, 3 into 1, 3. So you can write this equation as, so I will write here A, B, C. So A into 100, B into 10, C into 1. So 293, which is our ABC 3-digit number, is equal to, last equation you have to write, 2 into 100 plus 9 into 10 plus 3 into 1. So general formula for that, ABC, that is your 3-digit number. Any 3-digit number can be written in the form of 100 into, this is A, so 100A plus 10B plus C. So this we can say that our generalizer form for 3-digit number. So now the second major concept, value of the letter you have to find. So whatever we have discussed now that all are the introduction part. So this is also the second part, the value of letter. So in this you have to find the value of the letter given. For example, so 4 plus A is equal to the 6. So you have observed in your primary classes that missing letter you have to find. Yes. So here the letter is given as a A. So you have to find how much number you have to add for the 4 to get the answer 6. So what it may be, this is easy, 6 minus 4 is 2. So you can add 2 here, then you will get 6 is the answer. So you have to find the missing letter. Then you can write the answer as A equal to 6. So upcoming classes you can get the questions like 2-digit number 4A plus 9B equal to CB 3. So observe here, you have to, when you are adding the number, you are going like this column wise. Yes. So first is unit place numbers you have to add, after that you have to go for the next. So first observe A plus B equal to 3. So what we can do, we will change this number 8 as, okay. So then it will easy to remember. So A plus 8 equal to 3. So now think that A plus 8 equal to 3 they have given. That means, so again I will write this one again, okay. A plus 8 equal to 3. So observe, 3 is the lower number. If you add lowest number to this, 8 plus 0 is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9. So it is not possible to get the lowest number. So you can think that the number may be 13. The sum of the A plus 8 is equal to 13. To get the 13, how much number you have to add here? 5. Yes, 5 plus 8 equal to 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 3 is 13. So 13. The maybe 13 is the number, but you have to check again. If you add, in place of A, if you keep the 5, then what happens? 5 plus 8 is 13. 1 is the carryover then. So we will solve that one here. In place of A, you are adding 5. So for A, they have given 4, 5 and 9, 8. So now calculate 5 plus 8 is 13. Carryover is 1. So 9 plus 1 is 10 plus 14. So is it possible to write this equation? Yes. Then what we can do? At A plus what we have written 5. A equal to 5. And in place of B, 4. B equal to 4. In place of C, C equal to 1. This is our final answer. So like this you have to find the missing letter of some of the numbers. This is in case of addition. We have observed in case of addition. Then what about multiply? In case of multiplication, you can find the number. So first we will take one number. For example, AB into 3. Whenever you are checking, no, you start from the least number, that is 0. From the 0 you start. So 0 or 1 you can start. Just check 3 into some number is equal to B. So 3 into B, you must get 3 into B, you must get some answer as the CAB. That means 3 into B, you should get as the B. 3 into A, you should get answer CA, 2-digit number at the multiply. Okay. So now think, if you multiply 3 into 0, 3 into 0, in place of B I have written 0. Then 3 zeros are, answer is 0. Then the B at the place of B here also same, and it is here also same. It may be the answer. Then we will check that next. So 3 into A. So 3 into A equal to CA. So 3 into A is equal to CA. In place of A, you have to write the number such that at the end the A should be same, the number should be same. Okay, if you start with the lowest number, that is 3 into 0 equal to 0, it is not possible because we want 2-digit numbers. Yes, so 3 into 3, it is 9. So again single digit, it is not possible. Again 3 into 4, 4 3s are 12, 4 3s are 12. It is a 2-digit number, but what we want, in place of A, this number and this end number should be, unit number should be same. But the 2 and 4, it is not same. Then again check 3 into 5, 5 3s are 15. So now check here, this number and the unit place number is same. Then we can write that 3 into 5 equal to 15. So now check, is it same? In place of A, this is same. Yes, then we can write this as this in our equation. So A, in place of A here, that is 5. In case of B, 0 and 3. 3 zeros are 0, 3 5s are 15. So answer A equal to 5, B equal to 0 and C equal to 1. So this is the method to find the value of the letter. Now we will move towards our exercise problems. That is, observe here, write the following numbers in a generalized form. So they have given the numbers that we have to write in a generalized form. Observe 2-digit numbers, 3-digit numbers and 4-digit numbers. So we'll solve that one. So this is the 2-digit number. So unit place and 10th place. You have to split numbers such that as multiplied numbers. Yes, that is, first you split this one as 30 plus 9. Yes, because first we have to split this one into the sum. Then again 3 into 10 and this one 9 into 1. So these two get added. 3 into 10 is 30, 9 into 1 is 9. So 30 plus 9 is 39. So the generalized form of this 39 we can write, that is 2-digit number is equal to 3 into 10 plus 9 into 1. You have to put the bracket. So just we have observed the example is, that is AB equal to, what is our formula? 10 into A plus B. So observe here, AB is our formula, that is 39. 10 into A, 10 into A is 3. So B is 9. 9 into 1, or you can write B. So this this will help you how to write the 2-digit number in a generalized form. Yes, okay. No need not to worry to write this one. Just you have to write this equation. Okay. Then second problem, 52. So again 2-digit number. Just split this one as 50 plus 2. Then again split 5 into 10. 5 tens are again 2 into 1. So the generalized form for 52 is 5 into 10 bracket plus 9 into 1. So then third one, 106. So direct I will write this one multiplied form. Okay. So you know that this is a 3-digit number. So unit place 6 into 1 and 100 place 100 into 1. So now you can write 106 equal 100 into 1 is 100. 100 plus 6 is 106. So 100 into 1 plus 6 into 1. So fourth one, 356, 3-digit number. So you can split, multiplied form you have to split. So now split this one, unit place 9, 10 place 5 into 10, then 100 place 3 into 100. Then you have to write the generalized form, 359 equal to 3 into 100 bracket plus 5 into 10 plus 9 into 1. So next try to solve this one. So 6 into 100 plus 2 into 10, 8 into 1. So this all are together sum. Okay. 628 is equal to 6 into 100 plus 2 into 10 plus 8 into 1. So now it is sixth problem, 3458. So 3458. 3, 4. Unit place is 8. 10 place is 5 into 10. So 100 place is 4 into 100. So 1000 place is 3 into 1000. So how to write generalized form? 3458 equal to 3 into 1000 plus bracket you have to mention 4 into 100 plus 5 into 10 plus 8 into 1. So that is your unit place. Okay. The seventh one, 9502. So directly I write 9502. You try to solve this one. 9 into 1000 plus 5 into 100. So this is the 0. That means at 10th place there is a 0. If you not write also fine. So 2 into 1. So now check here. If you get confused, means 9 into 1000 is 9000. So 5 into 100 is 500. 2 into 1 is 2. 2, 0, 5, 9. That is 9502. If you have not mentioned 0 here also, okay. If you mention also, it's fine. Okay, this one is 8th one, that is last one, 7000. So as itself it says that 7000, it is the 1000 place. So you can split this one as a 7 into 1000. Yes. So others all 0, 100 place, 10th place and the unit place 0. So need not to worry for that. Just write like this. Then you can write the equation generalizer form is that 7 into 1000. Okay. This is your final answer. The second part is write the following in the decimal form. Now they have given the generalizer form. You have to write the digit number. So observe here. This is 5 into 10 and 6 into 1. 1 means it is a unit place. It is 10th place. So you can write this one as this. You can guess that 2-digit number. So 5 into 10 is 50. 6 into 1 is 6. That is 56. So you can write 56. Now we observe here second question, that is 7 into 100 plus 5 into 10 plus 8 into 1. So this is 100 means 100 place, 10 place and the unit place. So 100 place means 7 into 100 is 700, 5 into 10 is 50 and unit place 8. So 700 plus 50, 750, 758. Okay, 3 digit numbers. So these are all answers. So 6 into 1000, 5 into 10 and 8. So unit place, 10 place, 1000 place. That means, so 1000 place has given here, 100 place is not there. That means there is a 0. Yes. So you can write 6058. Observe 8 at the unit place, 10 place, 5 at the 10th place. Here the 100 place has not given. So 0 and 6 place, 1000 place. Okay. Then second, observe 7 into 1000 and 6. That means 7000 plus 6 is 7006. Yes, that you can write 7006. So 6th unit place, 10th is not given, 100 is not given. That means there is 0, 0 is there, 0 and 0, and 1000 place at 7. So 7006. So again they have given 1 into 1000, 10th place is given and 1000 place is given. So you can write this one as, so 1010.